Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into the city of Kingston. We are on Washington Boulevard and we are at the intersection with Malines Road. Turn right here, we take Malines Road and go down to Halfway Tree. Turn left, we take Malines Road and head up to the Red Hills area. But we're going to go straight, and so we're staying on Washington Boulevard. So on the left is our restaurant. It used to be a Juicy Patties, I think. On the right is a Total gas station, and that Total gas station used to be the busiest gas station, or one of the busiest gas stations in Jamaica at one time. However, the busiest gas station and the largest gas station in Jamaica now is further down on Mandela Highway, which is the Fesco Mandela Highway, and they actually had a grand opening recently. And the gas station has been open over a year, but they just had a grand opening recently. Not sure why it took so long, but it's open, up and running. Okay. So on the right is a very large housing complex. Not sure what the name of it is. There you can see some police officers hard at work. Okay, so on the right is a Rubis, used to be the Shell gas station. On the left is Savannah Avenue, and that takes you back to Red Hills Road. And on the left now is Sovereign Center at the Boulevard. And they have a Shoppers Fair supermarket over there. I think it's a Super Shoppers Fair. That's probably one of the larger Shoppers Fair supermarkets. It used to be Michi over there, but all those stores, Michi is part of Progressive Grocers, and so is Shoppers Fair, so they just changed the name to Shoppers Fair. Okay, so on the right now is State Gardens, on the left is the Calabar community or neighborhood. So at this stoplight now, if we turn left, we go onto Red Hills Road. Turn right, we go into Zadie Gardens. Here, your left, you go onto Aldine Drive, which takes you on to Red Hills Road. But we're staying on Washington Boulevard. So turn left here now, we go on to Lindsay Crescent, and that will eventually take us up to Constant Spring Road. But we're going to go straight and go on to Dunrobin Avenue now. You can see a motorbike just ran the red lights. Those riders are so reckless with their life. So come February 1, the new traffic law is going to come into effect. And as a part of that law, motorists and the rider on the back with the motorists must wear a helmet. And also all motorbikes sold in Jamaica must be sold with a helmet. So come February 1, that law will come into effect for the motorists. Now there is a law that says if you're riding a motorbike you must have a helmet. That law is in effect already. I'm not sure if it applies to the pillion rider, but I know there is a law that says you must wear your helmet. But the problem is not the laws sometimes. Sometimes it's the enforcing of the laws. And then even when the police write these tickets, there are 1 million unpaid traffic tickets in Jamaica. So, writing a ticket is one thing, and then the person's actually obeying the rules and paying the ticket is another. Alright, so this intersection is Constant Spring Road. Turn right, you take Constant Spring Road down to Halfway Tree. Turn left, you take Constant Spring Road up to Shortwood, and eventually takes you up to the Manor Park area. So on the right is Phil's Hardware, very popular hardware store in Jamaica. So this is Constant Spring Road now. As you can see, it was recently renovated, very nicely done. It was done by China Harbour Engineering Company.
Yeah? Hello? No. Netflix na member.